Did you know that there are small, almost invisible things that can make a woman think about you over and over again, even when you yourself think they're trivial? It's not about big words, expensive gifts, or fake confidence. It's about the details. It's precisely from these small details that genuine attraction grows, and a real emotional bond is formed that can't be faked. What if I told you these simple gestures can make a huge difference in your relationship? Many men overlook these things without realizing how powerful their influence is. Today you'll learn how to truly stand out and become unforgettable. We'll also discuss the main mistake 99% of men make, and why it makes women lose interest, even when everything seems perfect at first. So, make sure you stay tuned until the end, because the final part could completely change the way you view relationships. Welcome to this channel, where we discuss how small details can make a big difference in relationships and help you understand female psychology more deeply. In this video, I'll discuss 7 things that almost all women love, even though they rarely express it directly. If you've ever felt like you don't fully understand what's important to them, this content might provide the answers you're looking for. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video if this topic is relevant to you. It really helps grow this channel. Also, leave a 1 in the comments section if you're interested, or a 0 if you're not. Your opinion matters. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. We'll start with one of the most underrated, yet incredibly powerful gestures: caring touch. For many women, physical contact isn't just about the body, but rather about emotions. A gentle massage on the shoulders, neck, or back can help relieve tension, clears throat, after a long day, while also fostering deeper intimacy. Most importantly, do it calmly and slowly, not just for the sake of formality. Use oil or lotion with a calming scent. Move slowly and pay attention to her response. A gesture like this without words conveys the message, "I care about you. I'm here for you." Next, flirt politely and respectfully. Many men avoid flirting for fear of appearing overly direct or being rejected. However, most women appreciate a gentle, natural, and respectful approach. A light smile, a warm look, or a simple compliment can be a pleasant interaction that evokes the feminine side and makes them feel appreciated. Flirting shouldn't stop after the relationship begins. In fact, it maintains warmth and reminds them of the beginning of intimacy. Another gesture that is often overlooked is touching hair. For many women, hair is a sensitive area and closely associated with comfort and trust. A gentle touch in a quiet moment, such as while watching a movie or lying down together, can create a sense of security and warmth. The key is that it's natural, not forced, and occurs at the right time. Next, a hand on the middle of the back. This is a simple gesture, but one that carries a very powerful meaning. It conveys a sense of protection, presence, and reassurance. When walking in public and you gently place your hand on her back, the message is, "I'm here, you're safe." This isn't a form of control, but rather a mature and stable care. There's also the protective aspect. Women want to feel like a man is there for them and won't disappear when things get tough. It's not about looking for trouble, but about being there when needed. Snort. Sometimes, one small, firm step or a reassuring sentence is enough to make her feel less alone. Moments like these often leave a stronger impression than mere words. The next gesture may seem simple, but it has a profound emotional impact, telling her she's present in your dreams. This creates the feeling that she's always on your mind, even subconsciously, thus increasing the sense of significance in the relationship. Next is the visual aspect, such as a well-groomed beard. Many women associate it with maturity, masculinity, and stability. However, what's most important is not just appearance, but how a man confidently maintains himself. Finally, there's the power of a hug. A warm, confident embrace provides a sense of security, emotional closeness, and a deep connection. A kiss on the forehead or a handshake also reinforces the feeling of "we're together" that goes beyond words. All of these gestures may seem simple, but it's precisely through these gestures that a woman feels how she's being treated in a relationship. These things don't require a lot of money, but rather attention, presence, and sincerity. By implementing them, you'll not only improve your relationship, but also become the man she truly wants to be by her side. If you liked these ideas, let me know in the comments which ones you've already tried or clears throat you'd like to try. If you watched all the way to the end, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Yeah.